One of the services we provide to our customers is remote hand support. This is available 24/7, 365 days a year. Our highly skilled technicians will help support any services you may need. An example of this would be a rack and stack. Let me show you how this works. Another service we provide with remote hand support is circuit troubleshooting. My technician here is going to show you how we do that. In addition to our other remote hand support, another service that we can provide for you is a rack-mounted PDU install or a power distribution unit. Let me show you how we'll go about doing that. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new. Subscribe to us on YouTube or visit CoreSite.com to learn more.